When management at the sprawling Connecticut Stone Supply Company in Milford decided to replace its third homemade water treatment system, they did their due diligence and looked at the best system the water treatment industry had to offer.
What we tried to keep in mind was ease of maintenance, ease of operation, and after doing all our research and homework on that, we decided to go with the Vic system, and it just seemed the simplest to install and the simplest to maintain and run.
Owner Joseph Delacroce of the 57-year-old firm had another compelling reason for selecting Vic International as the vendor.
I like to buy a piece of equipment where I feel very comfortable with the guy who's selling it to me, the company who's selling it to me, so that if there's a problem down the road, I feel I'm content that it's going to be taken care of. And that was the primary reason we chose to go with Vic.
Delacroce and his team couldn't be happier with their decision to purchase a closed-loop, dual-module Vic SlurryClean system that can process more than 200 gallons of wastewater a minute. Connecticut Stone is a fast-growing operation that serves customers across America and in some overseas markets. With 5 saws of varying size from 40 to 72 inches and a marble and granite countertop processing and polishing shop, Connecticut needed an efficient, high-capacity water treatment system.
We collect the water from our building in a trench, and it flows to a collection tank. Then that water there is pumped up to the top of the systems where the water drops through galleys, and it's filtered out. And the heavy water stays on the bottom, and it's dropped into a bag. And the clean water flows off the top into a transfer tank, which goes back to our feed tanks, and then we supply the shop that way.
The heavy water containing mud is dropped into large, easy-to-handle dehydration bags that are changed about every other day. One man can change a bag himself in about 20 minutes, where in the old system it took 2 men 4 to 5 hours to remove the mud. The convenient mud bags are eventually taken to a dirt pit located on Connecticut Stone's 18-acre site. These bags may also be disposed of as solid waste in most areas of the United States. There were many other problems with the old system. The recycled water was not really clean enough, and the shop ran on half city water and half recycled water, a costly proposition.
We were using quite a bit of water before because we weren't able to collect it efficiently enough. We lost a lot of it on the floor, in the trenches, and what have you.
Flood says that has all changed.
We haven't added any city water to the system except minor hose water for the cleaning of the table and the workpiece and stuff like that. But we haven't topped off the system in about 2 weeks now. The payback is actually huge. We used to have to pump into the shop every day.
Flood says the water quality is excellent.
We're very happy with the gray water that we're getting. You could call it a clear water, yes. It's it's not transparent.
So far, the clarity of the water is much improved over what we had in the past. We don't have any spillage to speak of, which we were having a problem with our old system.
Another reason Connecticut Stone selected Vic International was the pre-installation support for the system designed specifically for the company. That support allowed Connecticut Stone's own crews to install the SlurryClean system quickly and easily.
It took us a day to set up the 2 hoppers, and it took us, I want to say, 4 to 5 hours to get the pumps installed, and that was it.
Cleaner water, ease of maintenance, and a significant savings in water are all part of the bottom line for Connecticut Stone Supply Company and its new Vic SlurryClean system.
We're very happy with the system. We recommend it to anybody.